Hello and welcome everyone to our Facebook page. Today we will see how to make different crafts just by using our hands to give the shape. You can see at first we have used our hand and made a mango from it, and also we have made the face of the mango. Now we will add the hands and neck, the legs. After making the hands, we'll make the legs. You can see we have made the happy mango, and next we will color it. Now again we have used a small hand to make a dragon fruit. You can see how we are making the outer part of the fruit with the pen. To make the middle part we have used the small hand, and now we will start coloring it. We are coloring it with the purple color, and the between part will be white as normal. Now we will use our hand to give it a shape. You can see we are making an ice cream cone from it. We have made the cream and the cone. Now we will add the straw and some cherries on it. Next we will add the texture to the cone. You can see now we will color it, and you can see how beautiful and tasty it is looking now. Next again we are using our hand to make some bunch of bananas. You have already seen what we have made. We will make and we will show you again how to make it. We are using the marker here. You can see we have made the bananas, and we are making the upper part of the banana. Next we will make the stem of the banana. Now we will color it. So again we have folded our hands to give the shape on the paper and started drawing with the marker. You can see we are making a chicken leg piece. You can see how we have given the texture to it, and after making it we will color it. So again we will use our hand to make a pineapple. We have made the grass part with our hands. We have given the shape, and now we are using the marker to make the fruit. Next we will add the texture to it patiently, and we will add some dots in between. Now we will color it, and you can see it is ready. So now again we are using our hands to make some scenery. We have made the mountains with our hands. Now we are making some flowers on the ground, and you can see we are coloring it, and this beautiful scenery is ready now. Next again we are using our hand to give the shape. You can see we are giving shape with the hand, and now we are making a fish with the marker. We have made the eyes and the face. Next we will add the shades to it. You can see how realistic it is looking now. Next we will add the texture. You can see how we are adding it, and after adding the bubbles we will color it. You can see we are using the highlighter here, and we will color with different colors to make this beautiful fish. You can see how beautiful it is looking now. Now again we are using a small hand, a baby hand, on the paper to make a different fish. So we have first made the face with the eyes and some fins we have added of the fish. Now we'll make the tail with the marker. You can see how we are adding the texture to the fish to make it look more beautiful, and after adding the texture we'll add the texture to the tail. Now we will add the bubbles. You can see, and we will start coloring it. So at first we are coloring the face. Thank you very much for watching the video.